Welcome guys, on this tutorial I'll be working on circular sketch pattern. So let's get started. I'm doing a simple sketch circle. So I have this. Now I click on circular sketch pattern. Now the point here under my parameter, that's this point. So now I want to make use of equal spacing. It will move 360 degrees all around it. 360 degrees. Now here I can increase the numbers I want. Here my entities to pattern, that's the slot. This slot 1. Okay. So I have this for circular sketch pattern all round, and I click on my check mark. So guys, that is for circular pattern. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.